Hi everyone, welcome to the CodeSpace YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand how we can add a custom text editor into our Django application. Before moving ahead, let me show you what is the current setup I have. So, I have this simple Django application with some login, logout, and profile updation functionality. So, let me walk through the website. So, let me add the username. Let's say I'm giving ABC and I'm giving email as abc@gmail.com. Sorry for this UI, bad looking UI. Okay, then I'll give the username, let's say abc@123. Okay, and I'll just submit this. So as you can see, we got hi ABC, and we have this link logout and my profile. So I'll just click on this my profile, and we have this form, pre-filled form. Okay, we can also update the designation here. Let's say ABC, which is another model designation. Okay, and we can just update this. We also have this Mario profile picture. You can also change this by this choose file, profile image, okay, field, and then just update this. So as you can see, your profile has been updated. So now what we want is, in this profile we also want one text editor kind of field, means that will be a character field, text field, but we'll have that text editor kind of functionality. Okay, so for that we will go into this we'll use this django-summernote library. So we are in this GitHub repository of that, and now we'll follow the steps. Okay, so now here we need to first install this django-summernote. So I'll just stop my server, and I'll just say pip install django-summernote. Okay, so now it will get installed. Now we need to add that library into our settings.py file. So here I'll add that in my settings install labs. Okay, so now we have added that, and now what we'll do, now we need to also add this line into our urls.py file. So in our main project urls.py file, you have to add that. So I'll just add that here, and make sure you have this like media URL and media root configured. So I have already that, so I'm not following this fourth step. Okay, now this is also we have already done. Okay, we have included that static media URL with our URL patterns, and now what we can do, we can just do migrate. Okay, so let's do that. So let's say python manage.py migrate. So now our required like migration will occur, and then we can just run our server. Okay, and then we can also start to add our field into our models and forms. Okay, so now let's say I'm adding one description field. Let's keep it as a character field as of now, because we will add functionality into our forms .py file. Okay, so you will get understand after watching this video, don't worry. So I'll just give the maximum length of this field as a 15,000, because we want a maximum 15,000 characters into our this description field, text field. Okay, we will have a text editor kind of field. So now we'll go into our forms.py file. Let me copy that field name. Okay, and then I'll just go into my forms.py file, and in fields, this profile update form fields, I'll just add that description field. Okay, and also we need to add that let's go below here, and here as you can see, they have imported to this widgets. Okay, so this is for that form rendering kind of functionality. So we need to add this widgets, and then we can just uh, use any widget we want. Okay, there is some little gap into this widgets. You can also read this, like if you don't like iframe, then you can use implace widget instead. This Summernote widget, so I'll just use this Summernote widget. Okay, and I will just use that Summernote widget. I'll just copy this, and I'll just give this description name. So this field we have added. Okay, so now I think uh, we are good. If you are using model form, then instead of this you can use this kind of structure, but I'm not using that, so I'll just skip this step. And then this is also a required thing, like if you'll not use this pipe safe template tag, I mean, so this safe template tag, then in your HTML you will get HTML tags. Okay, so for better rendering of your data, you are required to add this safe template tag. Okay, so this is required. So now I'll just skip this. But if you are getting the HTML tags in your page, then you need to add this, okay, while adding the form into your HTML template. So now I'll just do stop my server and just make migrations. And it is asking for some default value of our past data. So I'll just select first option, and I'll just add one default value. Okay, and then I'll just do migrate. Okay, so now it got migrated. Now just run our server. Okay, that is fine. Now I'll just refresh my page. Okay, I'll just go back, and I'll just go into my profile. And as you can see, we got this beautiful looking text editor into our form. So we can also bold this, like if we want. You can also change the size, let's say 18. So that is looking great, right? I'll just update my profile, and as you can see, we got this kind of structure. Okay, and also you can add this form into your admin panel. So you just need to add this settings into your admin.py file. I hope you will do this by yourself. Okay, so I'm not going into that. And also you can add like you can explore more on this django-summernote field. I'll give the link of this repo into my description, so do check out. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep sharing, keep loving. Bye bye.